water coming out from this new fridge.
Okay.
Come on, see. Get a little closer. And hold this so it doesn't drop. And say wow.
Wow.
And it flows
And
up.
try. That's it. Now crust ice. Ice.
This-
Ice nikalo ice. Rakho.
But first you have to paint like that.
No, first do it. Ice.
Only water comes out, Mama.
Now do it.
It's gonna be messy.
Oh my goodness! Stop it! Stop this mess!
Oh no! Look at this mess!
Oh my goodness! It's ice everywhere.
Look out!
And show me what you do here.
We do videos here.
Do it.
Lippy.
That's over 5 times.
Silly boy.
Here we go. Now, roar.
He doesn't have any tree. He needs one more on his nose.
It was so much fun learning.